If you're still thinking about dropshipping on Shopify in 2025, you need to get on this new wave like right now, immediately. I've generated over $1,100 this past week using this new strategy nobody's talking about. Okay, we're not using Shopify, and I'm actually doing over 3K right now this month. I only started this like 2-3 weeks ago, mind you. I'll break down the profits. I'll go through everything with this business before the end of this video. But the best thing is I didn't have to build a website for this. I didn't have to spend any money on ads, and I only spent 30 minutes this week managing this whole business.
He's talking about TikTok shop, and it is a trend right now. Yes, you don't need Shopify or your own website. And no, he's not right. In fact, everybody is talking about it. It is a trend. Remember, when there is a trend, everybody talks about the trend, and they make you feel and believe that this is the way to make money. This is the only way to make money right now. And if you don't do this, you are not going to make money. What I want you to do is cut the hype, go straight to the point, and show you the exact steps he's talking about. And it is called Sell It. I'm the AI guy. I already analyzed the whole video using AI, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, how it works, the goods and the bads. I will tell you the strengths, the weaknesses, opportunities and threats of the business model, and I will tell you the AI's rating of this business model based on ease of starting, ability to make $100 per day, and maintenance. Let's go to the steps, how we make money, and this is the step where you start making money. And in this model, this step is so crucial, then without this step, you are not going to make a single penny. Before we begin,
we need to understand why dropshipping with Shopify is not the best beginner-friendly business model out there anymore.
Yeah, I think this is important because we are completely eliminating one business model, which is dropshipping using Shopify, that literally everybody wants to do.
This is coming from somebody that's generated over $1.3 million in 18 months. That was my first store. I talked about it plenty of times here. If you guys want to see a video on that, I'll link it here. It used to only take like $300-400 to start up. This was back in 2017. But now it takes thousands of dollars because the software has gotten more expensive. It's very, very saturated. Everybody and their mom is dropshipping. Like, I had somebody's grandpa come to me and be like, yo, I'm about to run out of retirement money. I want you to help me start a dropshipping business.
Absolutely true. And it happens to me every day as well. Literally every single young follower come to me and say, I want to start dropshipping without doing the minimum research.
I'm like, bro, you do not need to be involved in this space right now, especially not with retirement money. But anyways, like, everybody knows what dropshipping is. If you go to your friend group and you ask them what is dropshipping, they're gonna know. And that's not the best thing when it comes to making money. You need to be in a blue ocean area where there's not that much competition.
Well, to be honest, dropshipping is still a blue ocean when it is done right. It's saturated because most people want fast money and they're doing it wrong.
Everybody's selling the same products. You have to know how to build a website, and managing the ads can be tedious. You have to take care of the customers.
That's 100% true. In dropshipping model, you have to do everything right. And one thing wrong can completely destroy your business.
To make sure the orders are being shipped on time. It's just a lot right now. It's not the best business model for beginners. Now, the business model I am talking about is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is taking over the market right.
Okay, that's a little hypey. We will get there. I want you to go to Google's Gemini and ask how to set up TikTok Shop step by step, and let Gemini, Google's AI, find your answer using all its knowledge through set from search engine data. Then I ask, share authentic website with links that I can follow and set up. And I got this answer. I got a link, I got the steps, I got the link to the support center. Now I will click here and start creating my account. It doesn't have to be your content account. You need a seller account. Once you are done with setting up your seller account, you want to explore winning product. Now, here is the beauty of listing products on TikTok Shop.
Here's a screen recording, and this is what TikTok Shop essentially is. It's when you're scrolling on your feed and then you come across like any of these videos, like 1 or 2 videos in your feed will have this orange cart on the bottom of the video. When you click on that cart, what's actually gonna happen is it's gonna open up a page that looks like this. It's a product page, and it's directly integrated into TikTok, the most viral platform in the past 5-6 years. Everybody's eyeballs are here, and now you're able to sell a product directly on the video feed. This changes the game completely because you don't need to send them to another store. They can buy right away. Like, you could just pay with Apple Pay on the second page, and then you're done. You're back to scrolling.
And the conversion rate of these products are through the roof. improve because there are less steps. People don't want to move away from their binge watching and binge scrolling.
It's easier to get your product sold in turn, okay? If you don't believe me, look at this stat that I found. And they sent me this email after Black Friday. They was like, oh, we did $100 million in sales on Black Friday in one day. Okay, $100 million in sales, and this is 3x last year's.
Imagine only 1% of the visitors are buyers. How many visitors are there looking for a new product while binge watching TikTok videos? I leave the calculation to you.
Continuing with step 2, we need to find out what products to sell. In short, there is this app called Shop Plus. There's like 2 other ones called, one is called Cola Data, another one called Fast Moss. This one I really like, it's very easy to use. You can just come in, right? It has a paid subscription, by the way, but they have a free plan where you can see products. But this one, you could come into the top sales section, you could go into US, and you can see some of the top products. Like this one, for example, in the past, let's do monthly, because I'm telling you, it's crazy out here.
If you use this Shop Plus platform, you can earn money in 2 ways. One way is that you can find winning product, and the second way is by becoming an affiliate of the program. You can earn up to $1,000 when someone signs up with annual subscription plan. Talking about subscription plan, it has a minimum cost of $49 monthly, or if you go for monthly subscription, or $39 a month if you go for annual subscription. So you have to pay 12 months of subscription fees at a time. That's a lot of money. To be honest, I'm not sure it's worth it or not. If I were you, I would have started with basic plan and monthly subscription and gradually upgrade the package as I make money and as I grow. At the same time, in order to make money directly from the platform, I would become an affiliate and I will promote the platform that I'm using myself to other potential buyers and earn passive commission. While talking about passive commissions, I want to show you success of a couple of our students. Peter earned $500 commission just for making a simple video. Jason made $650 commission. Ruby made $300 commission. Umair made $650 commission. And I can go on and on. These are the students of one of our done for you programs. In this program, we literally do 99% of the work for our members. If you want to learn details about this program, then there is a link in the description. Go and watch a complete training that will show you step by step of our affiliate marketing business model with a 99% done for you system. Beginners just like you are earning high ticket affiliate commissions every single week and sometimes every single day. This is my highest recommended business model for beginners, for 9-to-5ers, and for those who already have an existing business, have a very little time to work on a side hustle, yet they need to make extra income aside from their day job or their businesses. Link is in the description. If you follow the link, after putting your email in the opt-in form, you will be taken to this page. Watch this video to the end and learn everything. And after watching the video, if you have questions, feel free to use this AI chat assistant and it will give you all the information you need. It will give you the answers to all your questions. But in case you want to speak to me personally, send me a DM on Instagram or Facebook and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Now, it looks like we found a winning product. It's a translation earphone and it
sounds like from the title, it basically is doing over 1.2 million in the last 7 days.
$1.2 million in sales revenue.
2.5 million in the past 30 days. Look at how quickly this product is doing. This only started selling less than a month ago. And I guess one influencer made a video on it, some affiliates made a video, and it just blows up.
Now you might be asking, what is the influencer and affiliate's job here? We will cover that in this step where you will make all your money without running ads or upfront cost.
The thing with this platform, one good video can skyrocket your sales because that link is attached to that video. You get what I'm saying? So it's crazy. This is an example of a product that I would list. So what you want to do is you want to source it from Amazon. What we're going to do is drop ship just on TikTok Shop.
But hey, this is not regular drop shipping that you sell first and the supplier ships the product to the customer. It's more like Amazon FBA. The product has to be in TikTok's inventory before you start selling.
Talk about the complications of that later, but for right now it works. You go to Amazon and you try to find this product. So let's try and find this on Amazon.
All right, you got the point. Whether it's Amazon or from somewhere else, you need to find this product, buy it at a cheaper price than the price is being sold on TikTok. And of course, when you list it on TikTok, you have to be competitive as well. Okay, we found one supplier on Amazon.
Here's one, $29.99. Okay, I can even buy this product in bulk and start selling it, but let's move on. Right now, I'll take this product for $29.99 and I'll list it on my TikTok Shop for $49.99.
So the next step is listing your product with optimization.
Now, I'll go here into products on my shop. I'll go add new product, and I'll just take that listing and just put it on TikTok. Okay, completely different platforms. You're not gonna have a problem there. Now, how do you actually get sales? That brings me to step number 3.
That takes us to the money part. Leverage affiliation, or in other words, recruit affiliates to sell your products for a commission. The beauty of being a product owner and have affiliates to sell your product is that you don't have to spend money upfront on advertisements. Affiliates do the advertisements with their content and they get paid only when they make a sale. Well, there is a catch. While if you advertise yourself and you optimize the advertisement, you can control the advertising cost. But when it comes to paying affiliates, you'll have to pay them a fixed percentage for every sale. On top of that, a lot of times we offer bonuses or gifts or prizes for hitting certain sales numbers. It's all a trade-off. Either you lose some money by paying high affiliate commissions, but you reduce the risk, or you take a little risk, run paid advertisement, and maybe down the line, you'll be able to optimize the cost and earn more profit. In this case, we will simply leverage affiliation and pay affiliates commission for sale.
Sales is actually very easy with TikTok. You can do it the organic way, or you can do it with affiliates and using them to promote your products for you.
Well, he did not mention the paid traffic here. That's okay, but in my opinion, paid traffic always gives you full control over your business.
That's where you actually get into crazy $100,000 months. But for right now, all we need to do is make our first 10K. So I'm going to show you the SEO way first because that's a little easier and that can get you going very fast. I'll talk about the affiliates later. The SEO way is to just use the proper descriptions. What are people using to search for this product? And if you just match it up with what people are using to search the product, what you're going to notice is that you get a lot of traffic to your store for free. I'm telling you, it's that simple. You don't need to run ads. I'll show you for example right here. We have 3,750 visitors in the past 7 days on my store just from optimizing the titles. And the good thing is that TikTok Shop will let you know exactly what to put in the titles and you know how to make a good listing. If you come down, they'll give you a rating and it will say fair. You want to aim for a good rating and it'll give you suggestions on how to actually get a good rating. I'm getting all this traffic with a fair listing quality. So imagine the potential that's there. Once you get that traffic, you're going to start getting sales. So this moves into how do you actually fulfill the orders?
Sounds good, but honestly, SEO has never been easy because everybody uses the same tactic and there is only a handful of products show on top when you search something. So sometimes you get traffic, sometimes you don't get traffic. It's a good start for beginners and a good start for getting free traffic, but again, this will not give you control over your business. If you don't get traffic, keep waiting for them. Maybe you will end up losing your hope, momentum, and eventually you quit. So do the SEO, no problem. It's free traffic, but don't wait for results with SEO traffic. Now, how do you get affiliates to promote your products on your TikTok shop? This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. You can see it's a live page. You are looking at the results of over 2,000 affiliates who made over $2.6 million in passive affiliate commissions by promoting my product, which means we paid $2.6 million to our affiliates for promoting our products and making sales. And I can say from my experience, recruiting affiliates to promote your product is a full-time job itself. You need to build connections, prove them you are authentic, your products are authentic, you take care of their customers, and you keep your promises. And it takes a lot of time to build that trust because affiliates are not just any beginners. They are already in the grind, in the business, and they're serious people. So try to use something called JV manager or affiliate managers who have connections with affiliates. Affiliates will promote you because they know the JV managers. And those affiliate or JV managers will be accountable to ensure you keep your promises. However, I asked Google's AI Gemini how to get affiliates on TikTok to promote our TikTok Shop products. And I got some good advice. And they are unique to TikTok Shop affiliates. I recommend you do the same. And if you want what I am looking at, check the description below. The next in the list is implement order fulfillment via VA. Well, I don't see this is relevant in TikTok Shop because you're not going to do the fulfillment. TikTok is going to do the fulfillment. But I can see what they have done here. They have basically implemented the drop shipping model, which I wouldn't prefer because this is actually never done right. In this way, you can never get the product to your customer's doorstep on time. And this will cost you refund and chargebacks. And the last one on the list, track everything: traffic, order, profit, loss, sales. Okay, let me ask you something. Does this look like an easy, simple, and beginner-friendly system to you compared to the 99% done-for-you system that we have for our beginners? And our beginner members are able to earn $500 passive commissions using this 99% done-for-you system. These are some of our students. We put some of their results in our Instagram stories so you can go and check them out. When they joined our program, they didn't know anything about offer, product, promotion, traffic, and we didn't let them do anything. We did all the technical work on their behalf. So making money was super simple for them. They just joined the program, learned the easy systems, they kept their 9 to 5, they enjoyed their businesses and their personal lives and kept making money. This is the power of affiliate marketing, but not TikTok affiliate marketing. It is digital affiliate marketing. More precisely, high ticket digital affiliate marketing using the power of 99% done for you system and AI. If you are interested in learning more, check the link in the description. It will take you to a complete training video. You will be on a page like this and you will watch this training video, learn everything what we do and how we help beginners just like you earn $500 commissions. And after watching the training, if you have any question, feel free to ask this AI chat assistant. This AI chat assistant is trained to answer like me. You will get the answer of most of your questions, but in case you have more questions at any point, you can send me a DM on Instagram or send an inbox message on Facebook. I will make sure to answer all your questions. You will learn about our program. You can take an educated decision whether this program is the best fit for you or not. At the very least, you will learn how beginners can make money using our 99% done for you system. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and to learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and I will see you on the next one.